In the heart of Ahmedabad, Gujarat, Max Lubricants is making waves as a formidable player in the lubricant industry with utmost commitment to deliver maximum quality and maximum power by its distinguished brand, Dr. Max. As the fastest growing lubricants manufacturing company, we at Max Lubricants proudly offer a comprehensive range of premium products designed to optimize the performance of a wide array of motor vehicles. From two-wheelers to cars, tractors and heavy trucks, our product line, we specialize in engine oil, gear oil, hydraulic oil, brake oil and coolant. And these exceptional products are not just serving the Indian market but are making their mark internationally. Our manufacturing facility, boasting state-of-the-art fully automated systems, is backed by a fully equipped laboratory where we rigorously adhere to the stringent quality norms prescribed by the API standard, ensuring that every product is tested and validated to the highest standards. This commitment to quality ensures that we consistently provide the best products to our valued customers. At Max Lubricants, our two blending cattle have a production capacity of 40,000 litres per day. We have a fully automatic filling, capping and labelling line where we pack all lubricants in different packing size as per requirement. Our in-house warehouse streamlines the logistics to meet your lubricant needs promptly. What sets us apart is our exclusive use of 100% virgin Group 2 and Group 3 base oils, complemented by top quality lubricant additives. This ensures that each of our products delivers the maximum quality and maximum power your vehicle deserves. Dr. Max is on the rise and rapidly gaining recognition in regions like Gujarat, Maharashtra, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Assam, Jharkhand and Chhattisgarh. It is our vision to build a strong network of 1,000 distributors and dealers by 2025 and establish Dr. Max as a solid brand in lubricant market in India to achieve our goal of rupees 1,000 crore sales by 2030. Max Lubricants and Dr. Max are your trusted partners on the road to maximum quality and maximum power.